Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day, Libra, serenity. It's time to go with the flow. Control your air, control your space, control your emotions. I don't need you to be a tornado right now. I need you, and the world needs you to be a calm wind, to go with the flow. Be in peace. Things are going your way, maybe not at the rate that you may want them to, but you're getting the outcomes guaranteed. The outcomes that you desire are coming your way. So do not worry. So why be in torment when you're going to get your way? You're just in a waiting period. So enjoy the waiting period by being in your peace through love, because that's the strongest weapon in this world. The strongest energy in this world is love. Nothing can combat that. Release of negative energy, resentment, guilt, anger, and doing inner work by controlling your emotions. You know and you find peace. Therefore, you turn your life into living, not surviving. I have a gentle view of life, and I welcome every step with confidence, because you always succeed. You are the perfect gymnast of the zodiac. You have great balance. So tap into your special power. And no matter what you face, be balanced. Go with the flow. Know you're going to win. Tough times, rough times, harsh times don't last always. It's not saying that'll be easy, but it shall be worth it, especially where you're going. I remain brave in the face of fear. I have the wisdom to let the universe do its work. Look fear in the eye, guarantee it shall cower, run the other way, and you can continue to balance on that beam of your journey and continue to be great and manifest and receive all the things you've been asking for, plus more than you were asking for. I guarantee it's going to be bigger than you can imagine. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.